Another feature of OpenStreetMap is you can look at the community features, who's been editing and what have they been editing in your local area. So there are a few reasons that I want to do this in areas that I've edited before. One of them is to find out if maybe I made a mistake and someone's corrected it. One of them is to find out maybe something's changed and it'd be really interesting to see their new changes to that. The third thing is, in areas like the Marshall Islands, there just aren't that many people using OpenStreetMap. So it's interesting to me to see that people are interested in the data and they're making changes. So one thing you might not have noticed before is this history button up on the top left. When I click that, there's going to be a list of change sets that have happened to OpenStreetMap. Unfortunately, a lot of these are global edits where if you clicked it, you would zoom out to the full global map and not see anything that specifically happened to your area. But there is one edit here which is interesting to me, which is this one. It's clearly happened in real life in this local area. And they say that they've aligned the pier. We can see that they changed the ferry route, which I added a really long time ago, and they made a few other updates. You might wonder, who is this person? Why did they do this 2 weeks ago? If I click there, I can see potentially a profile where they describe what they're working on, and it seems that they're working on improving the quality of OpenStreetMap data around the world for Apple's OpenStreetMap data source. Something else you can do when you're editing, you can see who provided, you can see a whole history of changes to a particular object. So let me select this village, Edget, and I can see that someone with local knowledge has added the Marshallese language name Edget. It's up to them whether it should be the top level name or kind of just included as a data label here, but I'm curious who knows so much about this area. At the very bottom of the sidebar, you can click this view on OpenStreetMap, and it'll show you that particular object and the last person who edited it. I'm going to view the full history. So here I can see that there are a couple of different people, Hanslan Etta2143, who have been adding these. And I can see that at first there was just one change, and then the second edit is the one that added the adjej label.